Looking for a powerful and reliable mixing solution for your industry? Introducing the Ribbon Blender, engineered for precision, performance, and efficiency. The Ribbon Blender is specially designed for uniform mixing of powders, granules, and dry materials. Its double helical ribbon agitator ensures fast, consistent, and homogeneous blending, reducing mixing time while maximizing output. Ideal for food processing, spice manufacturing, pharmaceutical production, chemical industries, and animal feed plants. Built with heavy-duty stainless steel construction, it meets hygiene and safety standards while ensuring durability and long service life. The quick discharge system minimizes downtime and improves production efficiency. Low maintenance, high performance, and customizable capacity options make it the perfect solution for modern manufacturing needs. Boost your productivity with advanced mixing technology. Ribbon Blender, where efficiency meets reliability. Contact us today to upgrade your production process.